Namaste, India. Good morning. Good morning. What a beautiful morning. Amazing, refreshing. Well, we welcome you with open arms, open hands to another beautiful episode of Wellness के नुस्खे Season 3 with Dr. Sujit Paul.
नमस्कार, नमस्कार इंडिया, नमस्कार अर्पण।
All my viewers, मेरी आपसे अनुरोध है गड़गड़ाहट से, एनर्जी से डॉक्टर सुजीत पॉल को वेलकम कीजिए। डॉक्टर सुजीत पॉल इज अ renowned corporate celebrity. He's a individual par excellence who has been enlightening all of us with his topics. What did I just say? Enlightening? Enlightenment. Lord Buddha, Jesus, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Shri Krishna. Enlightenment से आता है ध्यान, ध्यान से आता है ध्यान से आता है योग, योग से आता है क्या? मेडिटेशन, मेडिटेशन ध्यानम, द हार्मनी ऑफ द बॉडी, द सिम्फनी ऑफ द माइंड एंड द क्लैरिटी ऑफ द सोल्स क्रिएट्स अ परफेक्ट बैलेंस। टुडे हम बात करेंगे ऑन मेडिटेशन सर। सबसे पहले सर, मैं हमारे श्रोताओं के बेनिफिट के लिए मैं चाहता हूं सर आप उन्हें बताएं सर ये मेडिटेशन होता क्या है और इससे क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स पोटेंशियली हम इंसानों को मिल सकता है।
So, namaskar. Primarily, meditation is nothing but a state of stillness that I believe that can be built into the ecosystem of your body. So, ये जो calmness and stillness है, this is called meditation. In today's social media world, we find so much of jargon, so much of posture, positions, etc. in meditation. These are all overhyped, unnecessary data points on meditation. Meditation is very, very simple. It's a state of lovableness with a state of calmness and stillness that you actually emancipate from your body inside.
सो मेडिटेशन बेसिकली इज अ स्टेट ऑफ कामनेस, स्टिलनेस। तो मेरे व्यूअर्स के बेनिफिट के लिए मैं रिपीट करना चाहता हूँ, स्थिरता, काम, शांति, ये देता है मेडिटेशन। सर, रिगार्डिंग मेडिटेशन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मिथ्स सराउंडिंग इट कि मुझे इसी पोस्चर में बैठना है, यही मंत्र करना है, ठीक है, और इसी समय पे करना है। कुछ मैंने ये ब्रह्म मुहूर्तम का कॉन्सेप्ट भी सुना है, और कुछ मैंने ये भी सुना है कुछ लोग बोलते हैं ये हमारे रिलीजन के लिए नहीं है, इसमें कुछ पर्टिकुलर चैंटिंग होता है। कैन यू प्लीज डिस्पेल दीज मिथ्स वंस एंड फॉर ऑल सर?
See, most of the times, we find these myths people saying, and these are all man-made myths, where people say that आपको चिन मुद्रा पोजीशन में ही बैठना है, आपको स्पाइन स्ट्रेट करना ही है, रखना ही है। ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है। मेडिटेशन इज when you can get into a state where you feel that you're comfortable. If you're not comfortable, even if you do in chin mudra position, or if you put your spine straight, how long can you stay uncomfortable position? My viewers who are seeing, they should understand, whatever is the position that you're comfortable, you be in that. Even if you're comfortable on a chair, absolutely all right, you can meditate. Also, it is not for any specific religion. Meditation can be for any religion, anyone. Coming to Brahma Muhurta, people talk about 3:20 am, 3:25 am, 3:45 am. Please understand that it is not a good idea to jump into a Brahma Muhurta activity of meditation, because you will do for 1 or 2, 3 days and then again you'll start sleeping.
सस्टेनिंग।
Yeah. So first is, do it in the morning times whenever you're comfortable. If you're comfortable at 6 o'clock, do it at 6 o'clock. Then bring it down to 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. But there is no point doing something for a week and stopping it. Yes, Brahma Muhurta may be good, but it may not be for everyone. Once you reach a certain level of meditation, then you should migrate to Brahma Muhurta time.
वाओ सर, व्हाट एन इनसाइट। तो मेरे श्रोताओं के बेनिफिट के लिए, फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स, आई नीड टू टेल यू व्हाट सर हैज सेड अगेन। इन शॉर्ट, meditation has no such ritualistic approach around it. You can do meditation in any situation, any place, in any posture. Doesn't matter what your caste, creed or stuff is, you can do meditation. Sir, slightly technical question. It is said that meditation kind of awakens certain chakras in your body or certain parts of your body. Is it true?
It is true. All the chakras that we have, it can be activated through acute sense of deep meditation, but it does needs lot of knowledge of that. It also needs the methodology to connect to the respective chakras and why you want to connect. So yes, meditation can open up your chakras and can actually enlighten you much more, but it does needs a higher level and higher degree of understanding that Yoga Sutra.
Higher level of degree and higher level of understanding. Definitely, sir. Sir, I've read it somewhere that the act of praying to God, when you do a namaste, or let's say when you're trying to do a namaskaram to this entire nature around us, or Surya, or in a particular religion when they offer namaz, okay, it said that posture naturally has some facets of meditation. Is it true, sir?
It does helps in certain facets, but again, as I say, to pray to God, to pray to universe, to pray to Allah, to pray to Christ, you can pray in any posture that you want as long as you are comfortable. No God in the universe have ever told you that he wants this posture only, then he will bless. He wants you to stay empty stomach only, then he will bless. These are all man-made myths. So whilst posture can be a way to attain a calmness or attain a sanctity of movement, without posture also you can get connected to the universe, superpower, God, whatever you say.
The posture is just one way of going there.
It is a very small way. You have much larger way. Your posture of mind is more important than your posture of body.
posture of mind. Wow, what a powerful statements, guys. आपके मन का जो पोजीशन है, जो मन का जो posture है, वो ज़्यादा important है आपके body के posture से. When you meditate, you should feel from inside, I believe.
Absolutely.
Sir, we have been very closely following you. You have been training with the best of individuals internationally, with the best of trainers. You have been training multiple people also. Could you just, I know it's a very difficult thing for me to ask from you, but मेरे श्रोताओं के benefit के लिए, can you just encapsulate what you have learned from all these leading yogis, leading corporate individuals in the practice of meditation, sir?
Most of the yogis that I have been to and from them, what I've learned is do as much good possible to others. You be happy to make others happy. If you are not happy inside, you can never make others happy. It all starts from I and then it spreads. It's so much important, I have learned from them to, to enact and activate the art of breathing. Where if you breathe well, then typically what would happen is that you can have more energy. To understand the movement of the food that you intake. And when I train people as well, I try to inculcate and infuse these depending on how much they can absorb and take and to which crowd I'm speaking at that point of time.
Fabulous, sir. Depending on the capacity to take, we calibrate ourselves.
Yes.
Sir, for my audiences here who have been tuning into us again and again, again and again, who are all ears for you. अगर वो अपना मेडिटेशन का जर्नी चालू करना चाहे, आप कुछ स्पेशल उन्हें टिप्स देना चाहते हो या कुछ
What I
गाइडलाइंस?
only want to tell them is that if you want to start, continue. In between, if you have breaks, don't worry, restart, get on track back. But most important is that don't bother about मुझे फीलिंग क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, मैं मेडिटेशन कर रहा हूँ, मुझे मुझे इतना इतना क्लटर ऑफ माइंड क्यों हो रहा है. डोंट वरी. If you go to search for the meaning of meditation, you can never meditate. Just start somewhere. Sit in any position that you want. If you're comfortable with Chin Mudra, it's fine. If you're not, it's fine. More important, start proper inhale and exhale in a way that you can feel your breath. You can feel it going inside your body and work to declutter your mind. And then gradually you'll scale up.
फैबुलस सर. तो आप बेसिकली हमारे व्यूअर्स को ये बोलना चाहते हो कि आप लगे रहिए. और हिंदी में जैसे फेमस कहावत है, कर्म कर बच्चा कर्म कर, फल की चिंता मत कर, फल आएगा. ये मत सोच कि मैं ये दिशा में जा रहा हूँ, वो दिशा में जा रहा हूँ. आप बस करते रहिए, कर्म करते रहिए. आपको जो फल मिलना है वो ज़रूर मिलेगा, वो आपका हेडेक नहीं है. Continuing with our trend, okay, we'll just have one question of trivia for users where they will get an amazing gift. Okay, I just want my viewers to let us know in the comments below, human bodies में कितने चक्र होते हैं और सबसे ऊपर वाले चक्र का नाम क्या है. The correct entry will get an amazing voucher or some sort of a prize from us, all you need to do is put a comment below with your name, mobile number, and location, and we will definitely get back to you. Sir, this was such an engaging discussion, and the serenity of this environment has added more beauty to our discussion.
True, true.
We are really privileged that we have been sharing, our viewers have been continuously getting to hear your pearls of wisdom, to hear your insights. Okay, from the serene and the beautiful snow-laden peaks of Himalayas, I would like to tell my viewers goodbye, sir. Thank you very much
Thank you
for
so
being
much.
here.
Thank you.
Bye bye, everyone. Very soon we will meet you again. बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे। और बिल्कुल लगे रहिए, मेडिटेट करते रहिए। अगर आपको कुछ और डाउट्स है, हमें इस नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप कीजिए, इस ईमेल पे ईमेल कीजिए, हम आपके लिए सदैव तैयार हैं। थैंक यू।